Today we are going to start lists in HTML. In the last class we have covered two chapters, first and second, and today we are going to start third chapter, which is lists. In HTML provide us three types of list: order list, unordered list, and definition list. As we know that whatever we want to display on the browser, we write it in VS inside the tags or elements, and here we also have some tags which is OL, ordered lists, and it's denoted by OL tag. The order list is created with the OL elements. It's also called element or tag. And another thing which we have here is li. The li tag is used for list item. The items which we are putting inside the list is called li. Let me show you how it works. I'm just copying this code, and here in VS Code let me create a file which name is index.html. save method chef plus 1, then enter. Let me paste that code over here inside the body tag. So this is, let me comment the li's inside the OL tag. So let's go to the browser and open our HTML page. Here nothing is on the browser, so let me uncomment the li's and then refresh my page. Yes, you can see that all li's are displayed over here on the browser, and you can see here in HTML that we didn't put any number, any order. We just write things inside the OL and li's, so that automatically displayed in order list, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Is this clear to all of you? So I'm commenting it, and let's see which the another one, which is on order list, denoted by UL. The on order list is created with the UL element, and the same thing, li's is inside the UL tag. So let me copy this one and paste over here. The first one I have already commented. Let me paste this one. This is on order list. Focus on this UL, which is on order. The first one was order list. which is OL tag, and this one is UL, unordered list. So there should be no number, there should be no order on the browser. It will just display the list on the browser. Let me refresh the page. Yes, you can see it just a bullet displayed in the bullet form, and there is no order because we have used here unordered list. The main thing inside the UL tag and OL tag is the same. We use li for list items, but the difference in OL and UL, which the one is order list and the other one is unordered list. Let me comment it. And another one, the third one is definition list. So let's see. Definition list. The definition list is created with the DL element and usually consists of a series of terms and their definition. Sometimes we want to write some heading, and under that we want to define that term, that word. So we use an HTML definition list, and the DL we use what? All the DT terms which we want to explain or define. Here in the DT, let me copy this to the VS Code, then explain over there. So here you can see that the main tag is DL, which is definition list, and inside that we have DT and DD, that which is the DT is definition term and DD is definition description. So this one is definition term which we want to explain, and this is its explanation inside the DD tag or DD element. And another one is this one, scale, inside the DT tag and its explanation inside the DD tag. So let's see it on the browser. Yes, you can see that it's the main heading or the term which we want to explain or define, and this is the second one, this is the third one which we want to explain or define. So we use this one, we have written it inside the DT term, DT tag, and this is inside the DD tag. This complete definition is inside the DD tag and or HTML. So our third chapter is also completed. There are three types of HTML list: ordered, unordered, and definition list. Order list use numbers. Definitely it use number, which because it's ordered list. So an unordered list use bullets because there is no number. A definition list are used to define terminologies. And list can be nested inside one another. We can also use nested list. For example, we use the main one on order or unordered, and inside that we use another one, order or unordered. List inside another list. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question, so you can ask the comment in the comment box. See you in next lesson. Thank you so much.